is our entire New Year's feast. This is what my husband and I will be eating this on New Year's Day. Hey everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Well, I am so glad you're with us today. We are finishing up our third part of our New Year's Day feast. It is a cornbread made with cheese and jalapenos. It's super fast, super easy, and I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, we have our mix here, and like I said, this is super easy. We are going to add our cream corn. We have 1 egg. We have 1 can of chopped green chilies. You can make these as hot as you want. Mine happen to be mild. And about half a cup of shredded cheese. Mine is a Mexican blend. And then we're just gonna mix this up. There is no need for milk because the cream cheese and the chilies add enough liquid to do this perfect. All right, I have my dish. I've spiked it with butter. I'm gonna pour this into a buttered dish. I'm gonna pop this into the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. All right, I'll see you back here at the counter. Hey everybody, I'm back. Our cornbread is done. It turned out and smells amazing. And here is our entire New Year's feast. This is what my husband and I will be eating this on New Year's Day. We are so happy that you've joined us. Don't forget, this is the black-eyed peas. This is the cornbread. And this, of course, is our flattened and fried roadkill chicken. It was fun. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. We love subscribers. And I'm gonna call my husband in. He's gonna join me. And we are going to toast the new year with all of you. Because I have champagne too. So, here we go.
To a Happy New Year and 1,000 subscribers next year.
There you go. Happy New Year, everybody.
Hope you have a good one.
And, like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.